Hello and welcome back to my channel. I made some turkey stew and I want to share how I canned it. So again, my stew is hot and I just made it with soup rather. And as you can see, I'm going to ladle them into my jars. Everything is clean and ready to go. My other can my canner is over there heating up on the other side, and I'm going to put hot jars instead of a hot canner. Well, pretty much they're going to be heated similar anyway. So as you can see, I'm adding them this way because instead of letting it sit in the fridge and hoping that it all gets eaten, I'd rather go ahead and can the majority of it and then go eat me some when I want some later. Okay, so yeah. I'm using this tray because, of course, it's quite juicy and I have a lot of broth or whatever in there. And I don't want to make a huge mess while I'm doing it. But, yeah. I think I made about 9 jars of it. And I had 2 containers left over to eat for my Sunday meal. And I add a little bit of juice, give it a 1-inch head space because I wanted, everything to be. Then I'm going to debubble using my little thing. If you don't have one of these, get your butter knife. I've seen a lot of people use them. But anyway, this is my turkey soup. And I'm going to clean the jar rims really good with a wet paper towel. Most of the time I use vinegar. I just don't have any, but I want to wipe them down real good to make sure I get a good seal. Add my lids. And then I'm going to put them on fingertip tight, not too tight because of course they're going into the canner and there's going to be pressure. So just in case, yeah, you don't want to twist them too tight. Yeah, they got a little warm to the touch, so I had to go, of course, use my, yeah. So everything is loaded in. I add 3 inches of water. Check your instructions. The thing about having a tight space, sometimes I have to turn my canner back around when I have it turned the wrong way. But anyway, I got the heat going, and as you can see, this is my leftover here. So I'm going to pressure can those at my altitude 10. And I'm going to process them for about 90 minutes. No, process them for about 75 minutes. And again, this is that's my Sunday dinner, y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video.